The galvanic workshop modernization at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aviation Plant, widely known as KNAAZ, has now been successfully completed, marking a significant milestone in Russia's ongoing push to modernize its aerospace manufacturing capabilities. At first glance, such industrial upgrades may appear technical and low profile. However, they play a critical role in improving aircraft quality, boosting production efficiency, and ensuring long-term sustainability across the aviation sector. This transformation reflects a deeper structural shift in how advanced aircraft components, especially titanium-based ones, are processed and finished. As we move into understanding the broader importance of this facility, it becomes clear that KNAZ is not just another factory, but a cornerstone of Russia's aviation ecosystem. Located in the Far East, the plant serves as a major production hub under United Aircraft Corporation and is responsible for building some of the country's most advanced aircraft platforms. Among its key outputs are the Sukhoi Su-35 and the fifth-generation Sukhoi Su-57, both of which depend heavily on precision engineering and advanced materials. In addition, the plant contributes to civilian aviation programs such as the Sukhoi Superjet 100. Every stage of production, from raw material treatment to final assembly, must meet strict aerospace standards. The galvanic workshop plays a vital role in this chain by ensuring that metal components are properly coated, protected, and treated. To understand why this upgrade matters so much, we need to look at the function of galvanic processing itself. This involves applying electrochemical treatments such as plating, anodizing, and chemical finishing to metal surfaces. These processes improve durability, enhance corrosion resistance, and ensure compatibility between different materials. In aviation, where aircraft face extreme temperatures, high humidity, and corrosive environments, such treatments are absolutely essential. Titanium stands out as one of the most important materials in this context. It offers an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio and outstanding resistance to corrosion. Yet, it is also notoriously difficult to process, requiring highly controlled conditions and precise handling. This is where the recent Modernization at KNAZ becomes especially significant. At the heart of this transformation is the shift toward a unified titanium processing line. Previously, 3 critical processing stages were handled separately, requiring components to be transported between different sections. This fragmented approach increased contamination risks, slowed down production, and made quality control more challenging. Now, those processes have been integrated into a single continuous line. Titanium components move seamlessly through multiple treatment stages in a controlled environment. This reduces handling time, minimizes exposure to contaminants, and ensures consistent quality across all components. As the team at KnAAZ's would point out, such integration is often the hidden backbone of modern aerospace efficiency. Achieving this level of integration was not simple. The project took nearly a full year to complete, with engineers and specialists working closely alongside equipment suppliers. Standard industrial systems had to be modified extensively to meet the strict requirements of aviation manufacturing. Processing tanks, chemical delivery systems, and control mechanisms were all fine-tuned for precision. Even the smallest inconsistency in coating thickness or chemical composition can affect the performance of critical aircraft components. This level of precision highlights how modern aerospace manufacturing often involves co-developing specialized equipment rather than simply purchasing it. It's a level of detail that KnAAZ's consistently emphasizes when exploring advanced aviation technologies. The benefits of this modernization are already extending directly into aircraft production. For military platforms like the Su-35 and Su-57, improved galvanic processing means better resistance to environmental stress, longer service life, and reduced maintenance requirements. For civilian aircraft such as the Superjet 100, it enhances reliability and helps meet international safety standards. Surface treatment also plays a crucial role in aerodynamics. Smooth, properly coated surfaces reduce drag and improve airflow, contributing to better fuel efficiency and overall performance. Additionally, modern painting and drying systems ensure that components meet both functional and aesthetic requirements. Another major advantage of the unified processing line is improved efficiency. By eliminating the need to move components between stages, production time is reduced and logistics are simplified. This also lowers the risk of errors and reduces the need for rework, leading to higher productivity and cost savings over time. Resource efficiency has also been enhanced. Modern galvanic systems are designed to minimize water and energy consumption, often using recycling and closed-loop systems to reduce waste. For a large-scale facility like KNAZ, these improvements translate into both economic and environmental benefits. Automation is another key feature of the upgraded workshop. Advanced systems now control parameters such as temperature, timing, and chemical composition. Robotic handling systems ensure consistent movement of components, while sensors monitor conditions in real time. This allows for immediate adjustments whenever deviations occur, ensuring that each component is processed under identical conditions. Automation not only improves quality, but also reduces reliance on manual labor for repetitive tasks. As highlighted by Altitude Addicts, this shift toward automation is a defining trend in next-generation aerospace manufacturing. Looking at the bigger picture, this Modernization also strengthens Russia's push for technological self-reliance. By developing domestic capabilities and refining internal processes, the country reduces its dependence on external suppliers. This is particularly important in an industry where geopolitical factors can impact access to critical technology. The upgrade is also part of a broader expansion plan. A new production building is currently in development, designed to further integrate manufacturing processes under one roof. This forward-looking strategy ensures that the current improvements are not isolated but part of a long-term transformation. Beyond technology, the Modernization has significant regional impact. KNAAZ is a major employer in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, and projects like this contribute to economic growth and job creation. The successful implementation of such a complex upgrade reflects the high level of expertise within the workforce. In conclusion, what may appear to be a modest industrial upgrade is actually a critical advancement in aerospace manufacturing. By integrating titanium processing, improving precision, and enhancing efficiency, KNAZ has strengthened its ability to produce high-quality aircraft components. These improvements will benefit both military and civilian aviation programs, ensuring better performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Ultimately, this project serves as a powerful reminder that in aerospace, success depends not just on groundbreaking designs, but on the meticulous refinement of every step in the production process. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.